simply look for the volume spikes. Okay, that's going to dictate, there's an indication that price is probably going to reverse. Remember that volume spike that we had right here came right into a demand zone. Okay, if I extend this demand zone here all the way out, right, that huge volume into demand, that is a very good setup. Now, a few other things I look for when it comes to confirmation with volume. Okay, you want to look what happens right after. Okay, when you see increased volume, it does not mean price is immediately going to revert. But when you see increased volume, you want to look at the next candle after it, the next 1 or 2 candles. And if price starts to immediately reverse those next 2 candles, or 1 candle here, then you know there's a good chance that that volume is working and price is going to bottom or top in that area. Now, let's say, for example, like, you know, we get this huge volume spike, and the next candle we just kind of come down, next 2 candles we come down, you know, maybe we hit the low again and start to bounce back. That is not as strong, right? When you see reversals, especially when it comes to volume confirmations, you want to see price immediately reverse. Increase volume, hit a low, and then immediately go the other way. Then you can look for a pullback. You can look for a breakout. There's a million other strategies you can trade with volume, okay? But this is definitely something you want to keep in mind, right? Next time you're trading a breakout or whatever it is, take a look at that volume and understand what happens. If we get an increased spike in volume, does price immediately reverse, or does price keep going up? And you can use this as a confirmation to your strategy to an advantage of your trading, right? Again, it's not something you want to solely rely on, but if you combine it with your strategy, it can give you that extra edge and extra conviction when it comes to your trading.